Good morning,
Good
ma'am.
morning, ma'am.
Okay, keep yourself mute
morning,
and
ma'am.
unmute only when you are asked to give some answers. Okay. Okay, first of all, I have a question for all of you. Saturday was your test day, right? There were only 15 questions MCQ test, and in 8th A class, only 17 responses I get out of 47. What do you want me to write in my test record? Ki 30 students were absent in the test. Yes, Rishwan, had you given the test? No. Pavanur? Yes. शिवराज दिया. हाँ जी वंशिका आउट ऑफ ये रीजन सबके पास होगा. आई वाज नॉट एट होम, मोबाइल वाज नॉट एट होम, पेरेंट्स वर नॉट एट होम, वी वर आउटसाइड, आउट ऑफ स्टेशन थे, मोबाइल आपके पास था, इंटरनेट चल रहा था. देन किसी ने खोलकर देखने की कोशिश भी नहीं करी कि टेस्ट आया क्या है. सब्जेक्टिव है तो चलो ठीक है, मान लिया सब्जेक्टिव है, मेरे पास पेपर नहीं है, पेन नहीं है, मैं बाहर थी. एमसीक्यूज तो आप इजीली रिस्पॉन्ड कर सकते थे. In 8th B class, only 26 responses I get. Better than 8th A, but not that good. Out of only, okay, still 50% present. 50% responses only. Yes. Why you had not given the test? Give me reason. Was it so difficult or was it so out of time? आप लोगों के पास, बहुत सारे बच्चों के पास अब तक तो पर्सनल मोबाइल्स होंगे काम करने के लिए. बिकॉज स्कूल वर्क के लिए, क्लासेस के लिए बहुत सारे बच्चों ने अब तक तो अपने अपने पर्सनल मोबाइल ले लिए होंगे. देन यू कांट गिव एक्सक्यूज कि मैम मम्मा के मोबाइल में था, पापा के मोबाइल में था, मेरे पास था नहीं, मम्मा घर पे नहीं था. दीज आर नॉट द एक्सक्यूजेस. ये टेस्ट मैंने अपने लिए रखे हैं. यस अरविंद, एनीबडी, अपरन, who had not given the test, give me answers why you had not given the test. Aparan had given. Okay. Rizul, Ritik.
I have given.
Okay, I am asking for the students who had not given the test. Give me reason why you had not given the test.
Mama, I have given this.
Okay. I'm going to share your screen with the question paper of the test. We will discuss the answers first. After that, we will start with the today's topic. Okay. Keep yourself mute. Okay, first question is, which attribute specifies the width of border? Raise your hands, only then you will give answer, or all of you will not speak simultaneously. Okay, Ramneek.
Yes, ma'am. With
Which attribute specifies the width of the border? Answer is
ma'am,
width.
border.
Border, because this correction I had already done in the class also. It was question given in the back exercise, right? Which attribute is used to specify the width? Border attribute. It's not the width attribute, it's the border attribute. Okay, move to the first question. Which tag display the text, moving text on a web page? Okay, Divya. Diya, sorry. B option. Marquee. Okay. Marquee tag. Okay. Marquee tag is used to create a moving text on a web page. Second, which of the following is not a value of the type attribute of UL tag? Type attribute to set the type of the bullet. Okay. Laksh. Triangle. Triangle is the attribute. Is not the type value of the type attribute. All the other three are the values. Okay. Next is, which of the following is an attribute of OL tag? Ashpreet?
Ma'am, start. A
Start.
option start.
Start is an attribute of oval tag. Oval tag has two attributes, type and start. नहीं नजर आ रहा वहां से? मैं इसीलिए बोला था. इधर पीछे चला जा. You had already attended, ना? Okay. Now is it visible? Shabash. Okay, which of the following is an attribute of oval tag? Start. Which tag is used to define rows in a table? Let me check. Daljit.
TD.
Which T?
TD tag.
TD for better table row. Define rows. Yes, Vatsal? B option, TR tag. Table row. Full form of TR is table. Sorry, C option, table row. Table row to define the rows in a table. Okay. Next, to define column heading in a table, we use dash. Table heading. Okay. Yes, Lavlina. TH tag. Table heading tag. Okay. Okay, Dhiren, next question is for you. Which attribute sets the margins within a cell?
Ma'am, cell padding.
Cell padding. Cell padding option is used to set the margins within a cell. Okay, next question. Which attribute of A tag stores reference of the document to be linked? Yes, Divya? Href? Attribute. Href? Attribute is used to set the reference of the document to be linked. Okay, next question. Which tag is used to insert images in a web page? Yes, Hanur. B option, IMG tag. IMG option is used to insert images in a web page. Okay, ninth question we had already done. Question number 10. Dash is a highlighted text or image that stores the address. Gurjap. Address of some other web page or a document.
C hyperlink.
Hyperlink. Good. Very good. C hyperlink. Okay. Which attribute is used to change the style of bullet in a list? Which attribute is used to change the style of bullet
Can I
in
give
a list?
answer?
No.
Ma'am, can I give the
Type
answer?
Ma'am,
attribute.
type.
Okay.
Ma'am, can I?
Type
Type.
attribute is used to change the style of the bullets in a list. What is the full form of PNG? Akhilesh? Kavanur?
Portable graphic.
गलत बोला आपने. हाँ जी. Okay, Kirti. What is the full form of PNG?
A option, portable
Option,
network graphics.
portable network graphics. Correct. अच्छा, वो मुझे सुनाई नहीं दिया. Portable network graphics. Okay, correct. What is the by default color of the border of table? Yes. बोलो.
Ma'am, can I give?
बोलो बच्चे.
Ma'am, gray.
Gray. Okay, gray.
Ma'am,
Okay.
deep gray.
Gray option. Okay, done. Which of the following is an attribute of marquee tag? Behavior, height, BG color, all of these. All of these. इसलिए all of you will speak simultaneously.
All of these.
Right?
All of these.
All of these.
All of
That's
these.
it. That's it. Which of the following is not a tag used in HTML? That's
Align.
Align.
Line.
Line.
Align.
Are you all of you agree with the line answer? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Correct.
Yes,
Align. Align is not a tag used in HTML. It is an attribute. Then why all of you had cheated from each other and write the same mistake in web pages in subject enrichment? If one student had written a line equals to center, all of जितनी फाइल्स मेरे पास आई है मैं आपको निकाल के नेम से बता देती हूँ किस किसने एक दूसरे से चीटिंग करी हुई है. Didn't even bother to change the source of image. Source of image, the path of the image is same in your computer also and in your friend's computer also. Same folders are there, same folder names and same image name is there. And half of the class still had not submitted their subject enrichment and homework copy. Today I am going to upload the list of defaulters in the groups, WhatsApp group. I'm going to upload the names of defaulters in WhatsApp group, and I'm going to give a call to your parents if I'm not getting your copies in within 1 day. मैं पर्सनली कॉल करने वाली हूँ. आई एम हैविंग नाउ नंबर्स, मेरे पास 2-3 नंबर, हर एक नाम पे 1-2-2-3 नंबर तो सबके सेव हुए हुए हैं. Remove this number, add this number, remove this number, add this number. Daily I get this message. So that means I don't remove that number. I know that these numbers may be with your father or with your mother. So I am going to give a call to your parents if you are not sending me the work at proper time. Because tomorrow we are going to discuss the exercise of the last chapter. Right? Then I didn't get the copies for the first chapter even. I didn't get your subject enrichment even. If you want, so I can announce the names in this class also. You want me to announce your names in the class? These are the students, these are the defaulters who had not submitted their work. If you want that, I can announce them. Otherwise, by today, शाम तक मेरे पास आप सबका वर्क आ जाना चाहिए. अदरवाइज कल क्लास में मैंने नहीं तो अनाउंस कर देने हैं नेम सबके, जैसे यहाँ क्लास में रेगुलर ऑफलाइन क्लासेस में होते हैं. Got it? Okay, open your books. Yes, Arzu. You want to ask anything, Arzu? You raise your hand.
Ma'am, no.
Okay. Okay, today our topic is Skype. Chapter number 12, Surfing Internet, Skype. Skype is a very most popular software for voice over internet protocol for communication. Okay? Before the apps that we are using nowadays, before that, this software was used very extensively for the video conferencing and video calling for out of country. Right? We want to talk with each other, we want to be in touch with each other, we want to send messages, we want to call them, and without using the phone charges or without using the phone, we can call them from desktop to desktop. Before these laptops and before these other apps are available nowadays, like we are using Zoom today, Google Meet is there, WhatsApp is there, right? Before all these apps, the Skype was the software that was developed in 2003 by Nicholas Genstrom and Jonas Frills for communication. And this software was extensively used, very popular software. It was used all over the world for communication. From 2011, it has been owned by Microsoft. So for using the Skype, you do not need a Gmail ID, you need a Microsoft account. Okay? Whatever ID you have, you email ID चाहे Gmail की है या कोई भी है, you have to use that Gmail ID, you have to register that Gmail ID first of all on Microsoft so that it becomes your Microsoft ID. Okay? Okay, for using that. Now Skype is the one of the most popular application or voice over internet protocol service. It allows you to do instant messaging, making calls, voice and video calls to fellow Skype users. That means all of the users to which you want to call, they must have the Skype. Like if you want to make a WhatsApp call, the other person must have a WhatsApp. Okay? Similarly, for using the Skype, the other person must have the Skype app, whether on your mobile or whether on your desktop or laptop. Okay, what are the various needs, requirements for using the Skype? One is you need a high-speed internet connection. Obviously, without internet connection, it will not work. Otherwise, you will say voice नहीं आ रही है, break हो रही है, video नहीं आ रही है. So you need a very high-speed, proper internet connection. Then you need the speakers, headphones, and microphone to make the calling. Then you need the webcam to make the video calling. Web camera must be there. Then a webcam, if webcam is there, then you need the webcam software. You previously what happens when we attach any device with our computer, whether it is mic or speaker or webcam or printer or scanner, whatever device, we get a CD along with that device to install the software or drivers for that hardware, whatever we are attaching. But nowadays it's very easy because all the drivers and all the plugins are already installed in our operating system. So we just have to plug in the device, it automatically set up for you. You may get the device, and small devices like pen drive or speaker लगा रहे हैं या mouse लगा रहे हैं, you do not need the drivers or a software for that. Nowadays webcam के लिए भी ज़्यादा आपको software की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ती है अलग से इंस्टॉल करने की, ठीक है? But previously install the software for the webcam, then plug in the webcam. Nowadays computers come with built-in webcams. ज़्यादातर यहाँ तो built-in होंगे आपके लैपटॉप्स में. अगर आप दूसरे लगा भी रहे हो so it will automatically make the setup for you. Next there are two versions of Skype. Here it is written for Windows operating system and Mac operating system. On the website you will get two versions, for one for desktop and one for mobile. So one for desktop may you will have the version for Windows, you will have the version for Mac. In mobile you will have the version for Android and you will have the version for iOS. So all the versions are available. You can use the Skype on any kind of operating system. First of all, you have to go to the Skype website. You have to download it like you download any other software on your computer. Daily you try these things on internet. You download the various software, whether they are for a media player, for music players, or various game softwares. You download them, an executable file, an exe file is getting downloaded in your download folder. Then you double click on it, open it, run it, install the software. Then make some initial settings to enter the username, password, and it gets ready for you. Okay, I'm going to share the screen again. We are going to download and install the software. I had already downloaded and installed in the previous class, so I'm going to uninstall it first of all. Okay. I had just downloaded it. Okay, I'm going to share the screen. We are going to website of this Skype and going to download it. Okay. Here you will get the link for the Skype download. Now Skype for desktop, Skype for mobile, right? Under the desktop you will get Skype for Windows. Okay, you can click on this down arrow, you can get the other software versions also. नजर आ रहा है? ये तो खड़े होके देख लो एक बार. These are the various versions available. ठीक है? By default Skype for Windows. Click on it. On the left corner you will see the downloaded files. The file is getting downloaded. Percentage and is given. Time left is also given. After downloading, you will open it and install it like you install any other software. How many of you had downloaded and installed software at home? They had already tried this thing कि कैसे download करते हैं या install करते हैं. You know that, right? वंशिका नो, दिव्यांशी नो, कभी कुछ भी डाउनलोड नहीं किया. हाँ, we use, तुमने सब कुछ किया हुआ. अंजदिया आपने बेटा? No. Quite. Okay, one file has been downloaded. I'm going to click over it. It will ask, do you want to run this file? Okay, security questions are there. Run it. Now, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Yes. Now, click install to continue the installation. Click on install. Now, in your books, it's written when it will ask you to create your account before downloading. But nowadays, daily you need know that software and websites get updated. Okay? So nowadays, what are we getting? After installing, we are getting the username and password. जो स्क्रीन आपको यूजर नेम और पासवर्ड के लिए आ रही है, दैट इज आफ्टर डाउनलोडिंग. दिस वी हैड ऑलरेडी लॉग इन. When after downloading, you will get the option for download sign in. I'm going to sign out. Microsoft Pay account. I'm giving you. Like sign in, use another account, or you can create your own account. Okay. In the initial page, you will get the option whether you want to sign in or whether you want to create a new account. Okay. When you click on create a new account, it will give you the pages for the username, password, security question, and all the things that you get in the Gmail login or other applications or other websites. Create an account, then you will log in it. This is already appearing because I had already done in the previous class. Okay, that's why it's giving me this name. Use another account, click here. You will get the option for create also. See, create one. Or when you download it, install it, you will get this screen. Whether you want to sign in or whether you want to create. You can click on create and you will get the pages for creating the account. I was already having, so I click on sign in. I entered my username and password and sign in. After that, you will get the options to import the contacts, or you have the dial pad, you type the number and you can call them. Okay? Clear? Now please underline the steps in books also. See, here I had already added accounts. Okay, I can click on calls, I can click on contacts, click on new contact. Okay, you will add the new contact by clicking add a phone number. Then add the first name, then the phone number. This is the country code, it is given +1 here. The country code for India is 91. Okay, then you can download. So click on the down arrow and choose the country codes from here also. Okay, then enter the mobile number and click on save button. That contact will be added. Now it is compulsory कि whatever contact you are adding, that person should have the Skype on their device. Clear? हो जाता. email ID और Skype phone number चल जाता है. Clear? Like this one. हो जाएगा. This I had tried. We can call. This is paid also. Some calls are paid. ठीक है. You have to pay for them. Free calls are 5 minutes. 5 minutes you can call for free, and after that you have to pay or you have to subscribe for the Skype. Paid accounts are there. Okay. Hanji, is it clear to all of you? Any query? Any question? Hanji, any students? Yes, Dhiren.
Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, I was not able to see the screen. Ma'am, Chrome की screen आ रही थी उसमें.
Chrome की कौन सी screen आपको नजर नहीं आई?
मैम स्काइप की नहीं आ रही थी, क्रोम की आ रही थी कि डाउनलोड स्काइप की, उसके बाद की स्क्रीन नहीं आ रही थी।
ओके, आपको स्काइप का इंटरफेस नजर नहीं आया?
नो मैम।
ओके, जस्ट अ मिनट। You can download it on your laptop and you can try it. Okay,
Okay,
if you
ma'am.
get any problem, then you can ask me. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
it's very easy to download. Okay, and you underline the steps in your book. First of all, go to skype.com, then get the Skype, click on the Skype, get Skype tab. This you didn't get. ठीक है, nowadays website में ये आपके पास tab नहीं था. Now create an account is there. Create an account or sign in. This option is given before downloading, right? And we are getting this after downloading now. So after entering the password and security text, click on I agree, continue. When downloading is complete, open the file skype setup.exe, which we had already opened now to install it. Install kiya file pe click karke. You will find installing Skype window on the screen. Then I agree button, click on I agree. Next, the download process will take a couple of minutes. Then when installation is complete, a new Skype login window will open. You will enter your username and password and click on sign me in tab, and it will give you the proper interface. Then add a profile picture. It will be in the beginning, it will ask you to add a profile picture as it asked from you from WhatsApp also. Okay, then you can add the contacts by clicking on contacts. Add contact option यहाँ दी हुई है, but we are getting ऊपर new contact का button आ रहा था. We can click on that new contact button and enter the details for the person. Then enter the email, phone number, full name, Skype name, and add a person. We can also search the persons on Skype who are already using Skype or not. If any person we know that, we know its name or the Skype name, and we can click on the search option, type the name, it will give you the list of that persons having the same name. You can choose the according to the country or region or your email ID, you can choose the person that you want, that you are looking for, if it is available, if it is visible. अगर वो वहाँ नहीं है, then you can ask for the person कि what is your email ID you are using on Skype. You can use that email ID to search that person on Skype and add it. Okay, like you search for the persons on Facebook also. If you know the email ID, if you know the name, आप name लिख के search करते हो, बहुत सारे names आ जाते हैं. उसके बाद आप देखते हो उसमें से कौन सी किसकी location match करती है. देखते हैं ना कि हम जिस पर्सन को ढूंढ रहे हैं उसकी लोकेशन या उसका ईमेल आईडी या उसकी प्रोफाइल पे किसी के साथ मैच करती है या नहीं है. तो सेम वे वी कैन सर्च द कॉन्टैक्ट्स हियर आल्सो. ओके, in case more than one contact matches your search, click on the view button to see the list of matches. Click on the add contact option, then you can send the request to add you to your account. Then Skype allows you to do the chatting also. It allows you to do the video calling, and it allows you to do the voice calling, anything that you want. Then to import more contacts, like you can import the contacts from your Gmail account, from your Facebook account to your Skype account. You can import them. By clicking on contact, select the import contact option. Clear है? डिवाइस किसी और लॉगिन से, जीमेल या आपके उसके लॉगिन से, फेसबुक के लॉगिन से, जो भी आपके फ्रेंड्स ऑलरेडी एडेड हैं, if those are there in Skype also, it will give you the list of them and you can import them or you can send them the request to use the Skype. Okay? Okay, any question or shall I move to the next topic? Ramneet, Arshpreet, Pragun, Mitansh, any question? Okay. Okay, next is creating a blog. First of all, tell me, anybody had created your own blog? Anybody in your class? Okay, Akhilesh, very good. Anybody here, you can raise your hand if you had created your blog. Anybody who can tell me about blog? Okay, Pranay is there. Okay. Yes, Pranay? Pranay, unmute yourself and tell me what is blog and which blog you are using, which website you are using. Okay, Akhilesh will tell by the time. Huh? Blogger? Okay. You have the name of your blog and you post the text, or you post the images there? Text. You write yourself? Okay, good. That's good. हाँ एक बार लिखा था. Okay. Yes, हृदय. Blogger पे. Okay. How many times you write? What time you frequently write on that? Okay. Then you can explain me what do you mean by blog? वो नहीं पता. Okay. Yes. Anybody who can tell me what is blog? Blog is just a way, just a website that is that allows you to share your views and ideas with the public openly, freely. Discussion, right? It could be any topic, your art, your personal topics, your art topics, political topics, or the incidents that are happening around you, or any social topic, any topic on which you want to say anything, you want to say to the people anything, you want to share your views on anything, you can write in a blog, and then you can create it will create a link for you. You share that link on other social networking websites, your Instagram, your Facebook, or your WhatsApp group. You send them and people will read them by clicking on them. Similarly, if somebody sends you to the link, or you get some links of blogs on the Instagram, you can click on them and you can read the blogs of other people. And they can also give you the comments on them. Okay? They can give you the comments on them. If any one person is giving comment, the other person is also giving answer to that comment, or further comments are there, or you are giving answer. So it becomes an interactive activity. Okay? So a blog is an easy to create website that allows the users to share their thoughts with the world. Underline the definition. Then the word blog comes from web log, because a blog consists of a signed and dated log of individual posting. Web log. Okay, the topic of the blog can be anything from personal to professional. A blog is what you make of it, whatever you want, you can write in it, or you can post the images also, you can post the text with the images also, and you can post the videos also. Okay, let me show you a website, blogger.com. Here example is given, and one more example of blogs is given. Wordpress.com is given. Two websites are given. One is wordpress.com, page number 145. Know the fact. Know the fact. Wordpress.com is a website for bloggers to create free blogs. And example जो आपको दी गई है page number 146 पे, that is blogger.com. Okay, I'm going to open the website of blogger.com. Only a few minutes are there, so I give you a quick review. Here I'm going to type blogger.com. See what you get here. Here on the first screen you are getting sign in. Okay, sign in. Click on this sign in. You will enter your username and password. You need to register to every website when you want to use that website. So suppose I'm using this. It will ask you to give the heading for the blog, title for your blogs. I had already created that, so it's not giving me the first screen. It will ask you to give the title for the blog. You will give the title. Okay? Then it will give you the display name that will be created as a URL. Display name, what display name you want on your blog, and that will be treated as a URL to create the URL for your blog that you will share with your friends. Okay, here new post option is given. Click here. You will get this box. Here the text box is given. Type the text that you want to share, type the views, type the ideas, type the matter that you want to share. Here a few formatting options are given. Font color, bold, underline, like you get in MS Word. These are the basic options, right? Font, undo, redo, and few options for images and be seated. अभी bell हुई है, meeting खत्म नहीं हुई है. You will get the option for images and videos also. This is insert image, insert video, alignments, bullets, numbering, everything. Type it and click on publish button. Okay, that's all for today. We will continue with this tomorrow and the exercise also. Okay.